Tonight, 2 Orange County civil rights attorneys face discipline after speaking out about how people of color are treated in the court system.
Jerry Gurley and his daughter Brooke Gurley head to court next week and could be suspended from practicing the law. West 2's Gail Pascal Brown explains.
Civil rights attorney Jerry Gurley represented a Kenyan doctor in May of 2021. In a lawsuit, the doctor claimed he was terminated from Avid Health based on race and retaliation. The 6-day jury trial resulted in a $2.75 million verdict for the doctor. But 1 week later, the presiding judge, Kevin Weiss, overturned the jury's decision.
I was interviewed about that from different people, a couple of social media platforms. My statements got back to the judge. And though I never mentioned the judge by name intentionally because I wanted to call attention to the process,
which Gurley says was unjust, Judge Weiss filed a complaint with the Florida Bar, charging Gurley with making statements critical of the court system. The complaint says the respondent made statements on social media suggesting that the court system does not provide equal justice to all. Gurley, who's also an ordained minister, said litigating civil rights for black people and for brown people in a majority white culture is like climbing up a 100-foot cliff with a 100-pound boulder on your back.
I said that, and now, a man of color, I'm facing discipline from the court system. I find that ironic, and it's deeply disturbing, and it's had a chilling effect on my speech and on my sermons, which is most intrusive.
Obviously, it was upsetting to see what happened with the verdict being overturned.
His daughter, attorney Brooke Gurley, who wasn't even part of the case, faces similar charges for retweets on social media.
We want people to know what's happening in the court system because I believe it speaks to a larger problem that we have as far as the eroding of civil rights in this country.
We contacted the Florida Bar, and the Florida Bar does not comment on ongoing cases. A new judge is presiding over the attorney's trials. Attorney Jerry Gurley appears in court on Monday, his daughter Wednesday. The judge will make a recommendation on Thursday as to what type of discipline the two should receive. But the Florida Supreme Court will have the ultimate decision.
Obviously, I'm concerned whenever there's the possibility that I could be suspended from the practice of my law based upon statements that were made in good faith, that I honestly believe.
Jerry Gurley has been a civil rights attorney for 17 years. In Orange County, Gail Pascal Brown, West 2 News.
Now, West 2 News did contact Judge Kevin Weiss's office for comment and even spoke with his judicial assistant, but we haven't yet heard back.